So we have our metahuman, but what if we wanted to create our own custom one? Well, lucky for us, that is possible. And the first thing we're going to need to do is check out the metahuman creator. Now we can check out this creator in two ways that I know of. The first one would be in our editor. Then we go to our metahumans. And then when you actually see it, click on metahuman, any of them, it doesn't matter. You can see the Start MHC button, which is the Start Metahuman Creator. I've never actually pressed this button, but yeah, it opens exactly where I thought it would, which is the website. And you might have to, I believe this is on sign up, so you can sign up, and if you get approved, you can access this. I don't think the approval process takes very long. I got mine approved, I don't know, in like 5 minutes or something. Did not take long. Once you are in the metahuman creator, you will be greeted by pretty much this screen, where you will have the option to look at your created metahumans and then create new ones. So let's go ahead and take a look at that creation process. Let's take this guy. We'll create selected. And we're gonna go ahead and pause. This is like, we can preview the animations here essentially, and see how the body looks. Which is insane, if you ask me. You can see all kinds of things. But this is like the most detailed character creator in a video game that you can pretty much imagine. And by detailed, I mean not the amount of like hair options. I'm sure there's games out there with more. More like the fidelity of it. It's insanely detailed. You can also just do pinching. Let me figure out how to do this. Need to close this, change it to face camera with 1, and then you see these points, and we can actually pinch and pull all of these points to sculpt the face how we want, which is pretty cool. I have seen games do this before, but not many, and very few with this level of photorealism, which is kind of what this software is known for, is its insane photorealism. And I believe it's currently kind of under development or early release, so expect more improvements on all of this. So not only can we pinch and pull with the sculpt tool, we can actually blend. So let's blend, which is the process of taking multiple metahumans to create a new one. Let's take an old guy, and let's see here, something, I don't know, let's do something normal, and then we'll do something weird later. Normal and another younger guy. An old guy and another younger guy, and then like a little bit of a medium-aged guy, maybe in his like 30s or something. Oh, we need one more. Okay. This guy. Alright, now that we've selected our blend options, how it works is you see the same points, and when you hold one, you hover over the whatever, I guess, bubble you want to be influenced by these pictures. So if you want these eyes to be influenced by the old man eyes, you go upwards towards where the old man is, bottom right for the younger guy, and same for the bottom left. So you can kind of see how that works and influences with the blend. Now we can also look at skin textures, contrasts, how rough we want it, the skin tone. Oh wow, that is like a sunburnt fake tan. It's horrible. That guy's never seen sunlight. That guy's seen too much sunlight. Make them all ruddy cheeks. That's kind of cool. Girls put on makeup for that. Alright, so we can even go into the eyes, your typical character creator type things, but with just more detail and realism than I'm quite frankly used to. So let's keep going and just see what else they have to offer, because it just goes on, and I'm honestly not the most picky when it comes to character creators in video games normally. So we have our athletic build, or like our tall skinny build. Ooh. And we can even change some of the clothes, which is pretty cool. They allow us a few options and to change the pattern and color. We're gonna do this one, the cross stitch. That's pretty cool. And for our bottoms, we have some options here. We're going to stick with jeans. We're just going to darken them a little bit. And pretty much there we go. We can look at, oh, let's adjust the shoes too. Those don't really work, do they? Let's see here, maybe some boots. We'll have to do. Let's see here. That looks pretty good to me. We can also change the lighting, so we can select the environment, so to speak. Let's look at some of our options here. Looks pretty cool. Honestly, the backgrounds don't really matter much. We can see it in game, and that works perfectly well for me. So what we'll want to do to actually see it in game is wait. At this point, it saves automatically. As you can see up here, all changes saved. So what we'll want to do is just exit out of this. We're saved, they're updated and saved. And in about an hour, it will appear in your Quixel bridge, and under Metahumans, it'll be under your Metahumans, so my Metahumans. Now it does take normally about an hour. This one, it looks like it did it immediately. So that is awesome. And you can see he's right here. So what we can do is just download him, and then we can add them and use them in our project just like we did with Glenda. That brings us to the end of this video. We already showed how to get your metahuman into your third-person blueprint. Make sure to go check out that video if you don't remember or haven't seen it and don't know how. If you made it this far in the video, I hope I have earned your like, comment, subscription. Alternatively, check out our Patreon. We will be releasing blueprints on there, and it's also just a great way to support the channel and game development. Either way, I appreciate all of you guys, and have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.